So I think switch from talent acquisition to HRBP is much easier than you are outside of HR and then you want to jump into HR. So I think you can leverage all the skill and technique that you have as a talent acquisition and a recruiter to bring into the new job and HRBP, because as I mentioned, the role of an HRBP is to integrate with the business, to have the people agenda that's aligned to and support the business strategy. And one important factor in the people agenda is related to the resources, which means how you can recruit the suitable profile for the company, how you can attract good talent, how you can identify what type of profile that the company and the business is currently need. So you can leverage all the skill and experience that you have in talent acquisition to bring in the HRBP. But it requires more than that. So in order to be a business partner, you have, as I mentioned many times, you have to really understand about the business. So you can spend a lot of time talking with people who are running the business, who are directly and then daily delivering the business result, to understand about their daily operation, to understand about their challenges and understand about their needs, to get more sense about the business knowledge and then get more and stronger business acumen. Keep, like I mentioned, keep an open mindset and curiosity mindset, and you can learn it more quick.